Hola. So just a little fun fact that we have a dishwasher like most people, and the dishwasher wouldn't drain and kept leaking onto the floor. And we don't really have a lot of repair people in our area. So, me just being a new homeowner thought, well, maybe it's clogged somewhere. So we took all the insides out, sprayed it with water to try to clear the drainage line, because it's obviously a drainage issue. When you opened it up, there was just a bunch of water in it. So tried to spray air from a compressor through the drainage line. So that didn't work. And then we took off the front access panel and pulled it out, and then got the drain line. What? Not yet. And then got the went to the back of it and then started pulling from the back to try to see if there was anything in there. Turns out that this is the issue right here, and this is a Frigidaire dishwasher. This piece right here goes up through the bottom of the dishwasher and connects to a float. I'll show you what the float looks like. This little piece right here. So if you ever have a dishwasher that's leaking real bad and you can't seem to get the water out of it, check that before you go checking this other stuff. It seems to be a common issue. So again, there's the float right there. Once the water fills up, it tells it to shut off. Ours wasn't doing that, and so it was spilling water onto the floor. I hope this helps.